Okay, so for those of you that want to create a side hustle or want to create income online, you have no product, no service, I'm going to show you a quick way that you can do that. You can use what's called PLR, which is private label rights. And you can go here and you can use any of these things here. You can come here and you can create a free one. You can scroll down here and just create anything you want from here. So if you're into a healthier lifestyle like this one here, 5 ways to live a healthier lifestyle, you can view the details, and this is basically going to be your product. So you can put your name on it and market it as your own. So if we scroll down here, you'll come to this site, and to use the material that he created, you're just going to join his email list, and this will be your image right here. It's 13 pages, 6 images inside this book, and you're going to market it as your own. And this is what's in the book right there. So it's a good way, to get your feet wet. This is what's all covered in the book. And then you can go here and you can just download it, and you'll download that as your own. You can edit it, whatever you want to do with it. And then what I do, I use ClickFunnels. So what I do is, for example, one that I just created is this one here. And so this is the one I just created, where I'm going to help you build your first email list by you'll input your information in here. You'll click this, and on the next page it'll take you to a button where you just click the button and it'll give you this ebook right here. And to do that, let's go to funnels. Okay, you'll come back to the main dashboard right here, and you'll choose one of these funnels. So what you want to do, for example, with that health book, is you want to collect leads for people that's going to be your potential client that you can market that book to. You're going to give away that book for free, and then you're going to help them on their health journey. Come here, you'll watch these videos on how to use this template, and you can come down here and pick one of these templates. So let's say, I don't know, you like this one. Once you come into the editor, you can replace images. You'll replace all the wording here. Let's see. Let's find another good one here. Let's try this guy. Okay, so yeah, you'll take this image here. You'll get rid of this image, and this book right here, you're going to place that right here. So you'll get rid of this image, and you'll put this image in its place. You'll change the wording here. So you'll come up with your headline, and then right here, you'll put the key points of what that book covers. So you'll come down here, you'll say this book, it covers eating a healthy diet. It shows you, let's see, it'll go over 5 ways to live a healthier lifestyle. So you'll look through here, you'll find those 5 ways, and you can list those 5 ways right here. And then in order for people to know how to do those 5 ways, they have to give you their email address, and they'll click this. Once they click here, you'll go to a thank you page. You'll go to a thank you page, and then there'll be a button on that thank you page that says, click here for your free book. And then that's where you will link this download to that button, and then they'll receive this book from you. And that right there is a great way for you to start building your email list.